right, well, Scotty's in Leaf Spring Hell. Are you in Leaf Spring Hell? You're getting
I don't know if I like you anymore.
Well, at least you cut that one, because...
I cut the other one too. It's not worth it.
I know. It's time. Because it's hot. Also, we're undergoing a reorganization and remodeling here for more room. Because Scotty's an organizational genius. That table's my mess. Don't yell at Scotty for that, because I'm a fucking pig pen.
And
I'm a pig pen.
No. This is 10 times more organized. Now, I'm partial to blame for that as well, because we're ripping all the parts out, and the customer's taking their parts with them. We don't keep them.
Yes.
So we have to show proof on video that, oh, okay, blah, 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 blah,
Look at
blah.
this mountain of shit.
Here's the parts, here's the actuators, here's the fuse block, which will take fuses out of connections, whatever that
We'll
maybe
separate
needed,
everything out.
to do the new harness.
So anyway,
We've got new water pump,
all
new wiper.
The bushings go home with him, because those are for the original arms.
Okay, yeah, which are completely
and the ball joints as well, yeah. That's
the alternator bracket.
No, that's the compressor bracket. That's
okay,
the rest
gotcha,
of the compressor stuff. Yep. I'm working on AC systems, doing the stuff at the front of the dash and under the dash while everything's out. So while I'm on that, Scotty's finishing up that. Then we're going to tag team the tank.
Tank, wire it, plumb it, get it into place.
Done deal.
And get the straps on it. I want it from the back window back. Should be done no later than 2 o'clock today.
Perfect.
Should be. Well, in a perfect world, if customers don't come in and cars don't break and life happens.
Yeah, life's already been happening this morning.
Yeah, exactly. So let's get back to work.
On it. So I'm here. Scotty, do your thing.
And I'm queer.
We know. What was the... Yeah. Anyway. Thanks for derailing my train of thought.
Hey, I'm good at that. I'm good at that.
That train didn't just derail. It went off the fucking bridge and killed everybody on board. Thanks. Anyway.
The problem is there was 2 empty seats on the 50-passenger bus.
That's because you and I got on the short one instead.
I know, right?
Anyway. Bag B. Bag B. First order of business. Fresh air inlet block off. 2 screws. Big plastic plate. Bada boom, bada bing. Knocking that out right now. All right. Bolt started pretty easy. Scotty's got the clamping on it. But you kind of got to retain. It's a bother. Now this thing would be a lot easier to work on the lift, but we've discussed this. The side pipes make it so you can't put it on the lift.
Yeah, exactly.
You're about to slip off, buddy.
Yeah, I gotta relocate it again. This was the nightmare part. Like, legitimately. It was finding the right... Do me flavor.
Flavor Flav!
Go take a seat in the car.
Oh, you fat guy sit in the car?
You're not fat.
Fat guy's gotta sit in the car. I said!
You're vertically challenged.
I'm also length challenged, but that's another story. It's a constant PP joke around here. It's fine. All right, fat guy's sitting down. Scotty's doing his thing.
Woo! All we have left is cotter pins on each side.
Yes, sir.
And that is it. Back end
Done.
suspension is done. It looks so pretty.
Yeah, it's way better than it's been.
Oh God, yes, it looks so much better. So much better. This thing's gonna ride so much better, handle better.
All right. Good job, Scotty Waddy. All right, so first order of business of AC system insanity here is mounting this block-off plate for the fresh air. And of course, it did not fit So, of course, we had to drill it and modify it a little bit. And then I had little rubber gaskets and stuff. And all that jazz. So, we drilled it, we expanded it out a little bit, and it's fitting and sealed, and it's all nice now. On to mounting up the main unit in the car. Alright, so Scotty's got the fuel line and the vent and return and whatever we got going here. Of course, the kit that was purchased for the car didn't come with the fucking harness. Remember, there's a third vent hose too.
I already got that one ran.
Okay, cool.
Ran, clamped, ready to go. I'm putting the clamp on this one.
Yes, sir. All right,
Okay, feed them up.
All right, we're set. Yeah, so that harness didn't come, but the old one rang out perfectly. It was in perfect shape, so
yeah,
that situation's addressed. It's on the tank. All right.
Yeah, it ohmed out perfect. There was no issues, no breaks, no kinks that makes us worry. So that
sometimes
being
we worry
said,
about kinks.
Well, this is true, you know. It can get pretty bad. I mean, we are in Palm Springs.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, that's out of the way. That's out of the way.
Okay.
Now,
those are ready.
Yep. So we've got this one done. Where's the...
What are we looking for? Straps?
Yes, straps. They should be on the
They are
red
on the
cart.
cart. I will go get them.